Hello viewers, welcome to Medical Coding Only YouTube channel. I hope you all doing great. In this channel, we'll be covering all the medical coding related informations. What's medical coding, about the interview process, questionnaires, qualifications and salaries, certifications like that. Also in this channel, we'll be seeing what are the things we should know or learn as a medical coder. Our videos will be very informative and useful for both freshers and experienced candidates. Our videos will be useful to you, your friends and family members who may not know how to choose right career opportunity. For those candidates, medical coding will be one of the great option if you are eligible. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so in this video we'll be mainly covering about Indian healthcare system and US healthcare system. What is the difference between these two systems and what is revenue cycle management and how it's working and who are all the people are involving in this revenue cycle management likewise. Okay. So before pitching to revenue cycle management, we should know about Indian healthcare system and US healthcare system. So what is the necessary of learning about US healthcare system means maximum of the Indian coders are working for US healthcare. So it's very obvious to learn about US healthcare system and how the US hospitals are working and their structure. In Indian healthcare system, if you are not feeling well, like abdominal pain or any fever or any other disease signs and symptoms, we'll go to the hospital and check with the doctor. If necessary, we may take laboratory test, radiological test based on the doctor's recommendation. If all the test results are negative, then with the medication or injection, we are free to leave the hospital after pay the hospital bills. In case the test results are positive for any disease, then we will be admitting to the hospital as an inpatient. Once you improve your health with the medication or the treatment, you'll be discharged after paying your hospital bills. In US healthcare system, first we should do pre-registration process where they will collect the insurance details, followed by registration process will happen. After that, we can able to see the doctor. As I said earlier, we may need to take the laboratory test, radiological imaging, etc. And we will be getting treatment as well. Very importantly, you should notice this point. Meanwhile, all these procedures and activities will be recorded by the physician, like when the patient came, what's the patient's problem, what diagnosis was done to the patient, what treatment are going on to the patient, likewise. Each and every information will be recorded by the physician and it will be converted to audio file to the text file. That means these audio records will be converted into text format. This will be converted to EMR, electronic medical record. So that is going to be our medical record, electronic medical record. This was done by two teams. One is transcriptor team. Another one is automatically, electronically, it will convert to text format. That means electronic medical record. Once we improve our health, doctor will discharge us. While discharging, directly we no need to pay to the hospital or to the physician, doctor. Instead of us, our insurance company will pay our hospital bill. In US, all the people will have medical insurance except newborn. Newborn baby will get insurance within 28 days. Beggars, homeless people also will have insurance. And that's all about Indian and US healthcare system. I hope you can differentiate how the Indian and US healthcare systems are working. Medical coding is a part of revenue cycle management. That's the reason we should know about revenue cycle management before learn about medical coding. So revenue cycle management means to track or to know how the revenue cycle are going on from the patient to the hospital through the insurance company. And it's a normal part of our US healthcare administration. So let's see how revenue cycle management is working and what is the process are involving. Before that, I would like to let you know guys, if you are joining as a newbie or in your interview process or in your training period, revenue cycle management will be the first topic for you. So please be focused. Also, in side headings, what I have used in this revenue cycle management, it may be different, will be there from the company to company or the process to process, but the concept will be remaining same. Okay, let's see. First, pre-registration process will happen. That means collecting the patient's insurance coverage before the administration, before the admission. And then registration process will happen. Collecting the patient all the other informations will happen. After the utilization review, that means doctor will take the decision like what kind of treatment patient may need or what diagnosis needs to be done for the patient disease. Like that, the doctor will examine or explain the necessity of the medical service. Please try to remember, during US healthcare system, I said all the activities will be recorded by the physician and those audio records will be converted to text record, that is electronic medical record. This EMR is now moved to medical coding team. They will be converting disease into alphanumeric codes. So those cumulative of codes will be transferred to the billing team. So each and every code has a dollar value. So based on that, billing team will be work on. After that, from coding and billing team, it will be moved to claim submission. That means submitting the billable fees to the insurance company. So now the patient responsibility. That means in few procedures like cosmetic procedures, for example, nose sharpening, facelifting, may not covered by the particular insurance and it may covered by the some other insurance. So that's the patient's responsibility to make the payment in another way. After that, third party follow up. That means collecting the payment from the insurance. I mean inside the payments will be getting allotted to the hospitals. Okay, and then remittance process means that money, that insurance money, that patient's medical billing amount will be transferred to the physician or to the hospital from the insurance company. So this is what the entire revenue cycle management process. Okay, also I would like to let you know that one more process is there, that is denial process. Sometimes due to few reasons payment will be declined, mean getting denied. Those situations, specific team will be contact the patient and insurance company or the physician to get resolve the payment issues. Like maybe AR callers or denial coders will be getting involved in this denial process. Alright, now we'll see who all are involving in the revenue cycle management. Patient, physician and hospital, transcriptionist and medical coder. After that it is moving to medical billers, AR callers and insurance. So till now we have seen about revenue cycle management in nutshell. First pre-registration was happen. After that registration process will happen. After that those audio records will be converted to EMR. Those EMRs will be moved to coding team. After coding it will move to billing team. After that it will move to insurance team. From the insurance team the billable amount will be transferred to the hospital or the physician. So this is about revenue cycle management and I hope you understood the concept very well and thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. Please do like, share and support. If you're having any doubts, please comment us and happy coding with medical coding only. Bye bye. See you on next video.